The Great Wall of China is fascinating. This monumental structure, stretching over 21,000 kilometers, is far more than just a wall. It's a series of walls, towers, and moats that together form an impressive defensive barrier. Built in stages from the 7th century BC, it's not just a testament to human ingenuity and resilience, but also a major tourist attraction, drawing millions of visitors each year. Now, let's delve into the riveting history of this monumental structure. The Great Wall, a marvel of ancient architecture, has a history as lengthy and winding as the wall itself. Its inception can be traced back to the 7th century BC, where it began its life as a protective shield, a formidable barrier against invaders. Spanning over 21,000 kilometers, the wall was no small feat of construction. The wall's construction was an evolving process, with materials varying from stone, earth, and wood to brick. Interestingly, even sticky rice found its place in this grand design, used as a bonding agent for the bricks. It's fascinating to think that a staple of Chinese cuisine could play a part in the construction of one of the world's most iconic structures. But the Great Wall is not just one continuous wall as often thought. In fact, it's a complex network of walls, towers, and moats, constructed over centuries in a series of stages. Each stage added to its length, breadth, and height, culminating in the impressive structure we see today. From a defensive barrier to a control point for trade routes, the Great Wall has played many roles in China's history. Today, the Great Wall stands as a testament to China's rich history and architectural prowess. This colossal monument, stretching over 21,000 kilometers, has withstood the tides of time, despite the relentless forces of nature and human activity. Around a third of this impressive structure has been weathered away by natural erosion and human intervention. Yet like a phoenix rising from the ashes, the Great Wall continues to command awe and respect, its presence an enduring symbol of China's illustrious past and indomitable spirit. Each year, this architectural marvel beckons millions of visitors from across the globe. The allure of its ancient stones, the whisper of centuries-old tales, and the breathtaking vistas it offers create an experience that is both humbling and exhilarating. But let's debunk a popular myth while we're here. Contrary to what many believe, the Great Wall can't be seen from space with the naked eye. It's a testament to its fame that such a myth has persisted, but in reality the wall blends too seamlessly with the natural landscape to differentiate it from space. As we walk the ramparts of this ancient structure, we are walking on the pages of history, each step a reminder of China's enduring legacy and the human capacity for incredible feats of engineering. The Great Wall of China, a symbol of national pride and resilience, continues to captivate and inspire with its grandeur and history. We hope you've enjoyed this video about the Great Wall of China. This stunning monument, stretching over 21,000 kilometers, is more than just a wall. It's a complex defense system, and though we debunked the myth that you can see it from space, it remains a remarkable sight on Earth. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing and checking out some of our other videos. Until next time, bye for now.